Valentina, and yesterday I was watching Instagram Reels and I found out about this collaboration between Animal Crossing and aquariums all around the world. So I booked my tickets and I ran here. I was entering the aquarium when I saw this. Is that who I think it is? Oh my god, it's Tom Nook! They gave us this little cardboard and we have to get the stamp for each of the characters. I hope I get to meet Lily because she's one of my favorites. But yeah, so cute! I'm so excited. I was so excited because everywhere I looked, there was a little Animal Crossing detail or decoration, and it made me really happy. There was a section for meet and greets with Isabel, Tom Nook, and KK Slider.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment.
So I can come back later. Hey guys, I look a little bit tired. But I've been here for like 6 hours and it's so cool. This is like the best place ever. Look at my view. Wait, I'll show you my view. I really like this aquarium. There's another one in Paris. I think it's a bit smaller. This one has a lot more stuff, like a lot more interactive stuff, also a lot more information. Yeah, I think this one is more fun. And they also give you a little stamp because it's in the middle of a shopping mall. So you can come in, then go out, get this stamp, then go around the shopping mall. I went to eat. I ate, but I bought a book. So now I'm like just sitting here looking at the view and reading and it's amazing. I love this. I wanna stay here. Yeah.